It's elimination time! What are we waiting for? Let's reveal the votes! Oh no.
Hey guys, it's me.
Okay, we have our final two. Orange and Dirt. In this episode, our two finalists will compete for an advantage in the next episode. The challenge is to get to this floating platform and I'll give them some stuff. The person that manages to get to the top will have a high percentage of winning in the finale. Ready? Go! Good thing I fixed my jetpack. Hey! What was that for? Oh yeah, you need to build your stuff with a pile of building supplies I gave you. Oh, okay. That looks cool. I should try something else. Alright, it's now complete. Dart won this competition, so he's getting an advantage in the next episode.